Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 19th, and this is my recap of the top field videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you would like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So eventually, the pound dollar did make a pretty nice little rally up. Now, to me, I actually am definitely still looking at this as 1, 2, 3 waves up. I think this could be a wave B, and the part that really gives it away for me is that this right here definitely looks like 5 waves down, most likely a wave A. If this really does break the downside, I think that's going to prove the wave B scenario. Probably would be a pretty nice short opportunity. And once it does prove that, I would put my Fibonacci retracement from this series of higher highs, higher lows. I would look for a Fibonacci retracement level after 5 waves down, ABC correction, Fibonacci bounce, breaker starts to the upside would be the next long opportunity that I would be looking for the continuation of this bigger uptrend on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.